What's going on, Gary here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're doing your research on the multiple income funnel. Specifically, you want to know, is this a scam or is it legitimate? Well, you're in the right place because what I'm going to actually do is break down for you what a scam is, and then is multiple income funnel actually scamming people? Okay, this is a very important video to watch. Now, I've actually invested my hard-earned money into this funnel, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion after going through the system and actually seeing what is behind the curtain, so to speak. Okay, now before I continue, I want to first cover what the definition, according to Webster Dictionary, of a scam actually is. Now, what they say a scam is a fraudulent or deceptive act or operation. Okay, so it's to basically obtain something such as money by a scam. So now, using this definition of a scam, okay, and other places say a scam is also when you're investing your money into something that you think is one thing and it's actually something else. So now, knowing that definition of a scam, is the multiple income funnel actually scamming people? Okay, well, if I go to this page here, this is actually the overview video, okay, of what is explained as the multiple income funnel. Now, if you watch this video, it's explained that you're going to actually be able to get access to a website where you can earn autopilot commissions, okay, in 4 different main income streams. Now, to get started with it, it's $49 a month, okay? Now, first off, a lot of people think that, if something's charging money online, it's instantly a scam, okay, because chances are they invested into something in the past, they got ripped off, they got let down, and now they think everything that you have to invest money into is a scam. That's simply not the case, okay? There is real legitimate things online that are valuable, okay, such as softwares, tools, websites that you should invest money into, right? Why would the person, after doing tons of hard work, coding it, setting up all the training, why would they not, charge money, right? They're not some, Gandhi or, Jesus that, they're just giving away everything for free. So they have a business, right? So just because something's charging money doesn't mean it's a scam. But is what it's promising you in this video actually delivered upon inside the back office? And can you actually make real autopilot commissions? Well, I want to share with you some key info that you have to know if you're getting started with this. Okay, so again, what you can see is there's 4 main steps. Okay, now if you go to step 2, what's explained is you can actually create accounts in the 4 main income streams. Now, each of these 4 income streams are different platforms, softwares, trainings that you can actually earn affiliate commissions on if you recommend someone to them and they buy through your own link. So what the multiple income funnel does is it allows you to actually create these accounts and then hook them up. Okay, I've already done it here. So as you promote your website, people will go through this process, create accounts under you, upgrade, okay, investing in the different income streams, and you will actually earn a commission. Now, that's again what's claimed, and so far, that's actually legitimate. That is what you're doing. You're going through, and there's 4 different income streams, okay, just like, again, here, 4 different income streams. What it's claiming, okay, so again, if it was a scam, it would be deceiving you. It would say, hey, you can earn multiple commissions on 4 different income streams, and then once you get inside, there's not actually 4 income streams. Well, you can see right here, there are 4 income streams. Now, the next thing is, okay, is it 100% autopilot? And can you get the exact same website that other people are getting to make sales? Well, again, if you go here up to links inside your back office in the multiple income funnel, again, there's a link directly below this video if at any time you actually want to find out more information or get started. But you can take this link, okay, which is what's called a capture page or a website, right? So you get your own website. And now if I get people to go to this website and they put their email in and click watch the video, what happens is the system, multiple income funnel, saves that person's email, and now they start getting followed up with automated emails. And what's included in those emails? The link for someone to join under you, okay, in the system. And they get a link that goes directly to this page if the person buys at the $49 a month level, okay, or $350 for the year, if they buy, they will be buying under you, and then they start going through this process, signing up under the different income streams, earning you commissions. And again, like right here, okay, it's claimed it's on 100% autopilot. The only thing you really have to do is get people to your link. Okay, now you may be thinking, well, is that real? Is that a scam? How do I get people to my link? Well, inside the system, okay, if I go here, they have traffic. Okay, so you can actually go up here, log in to Traffic Authority, which is a very effective traffic source. And traffic just means a place where you can get people, real people, to go to your capture page link. Okay, you can actually go up to here to Traffic Store, and you can purchase clicks to your website, okay, right here. So you can get traffic on autopilot. Again, once you actually purchase traffic here, place the order, people will start going to your website, put their email in, get followed up with, go through the process of the different income streams, and you'll start making autopilot commissions. So again, is this a scam? Well, no. Again, according to Webster's, it's a fraudulent or deceptive act, okay? All of these, tools and resources are legitimate affiliate businesses, right? They're legitimate tools. Again, what's claimed here is all legitimate. So when people buy into this, they're getting what is promised. Now, can you actually make real money with this? Again, will they actually deliver the money? Because I know some programs and opportunities online, maybe you never got paid, right? So maybe they're claiming, oh, you can make money. You see the process, but you're never actually receiving the money. Well, I want to share with you just a few of the income streams so you can see that I personally, using this system, have been able to get paid. Okay, so one of the income streams, I receive money through Stripe. Stripe is an online merchant account where I receive money from one of the income streams. You can see that, okay, yesterday I had $2,100 come in. Okay, so again, real money. I can refresh this, and you're going to see that, it says $2,100. Okay, if I go here, yesterday, okay, it was March 12th at the time of recording this, at 9:50 p.m., I had a $100 textbot sign up, okay, and you can see the income streams. Textbot is one of the income streams, $100, and I got paid into PayPal. Okay, you can choose how you want to get paid. Also, right here, okay, with multiple income funnel, the first income stream, and Traffic Authority, the fourth income stream, you get paid through an online e-wallet, which you can take that money and get it deposited to a bank account or get a check in the mail. You can see my e-wallet account, okay? These are transactions. You can see, okay, and I've been withdrawing them to my bank account. Commission payout, 719, 179, 107, 359. Okay, these are different payments from the system. Okay, so you can see that this is not a scam. This is a legitimate system with different income streams, tools, resources. They have a private Facebook group for members for 24/7 support. If you're watching this and you were looking for an answer, you can see it's real. Now what I want to invite you to do is join through me. There's a link under this video. When you actually partner with me, you're going to get incredible bonuses, including copy-paste ads to post on social media to start getting free traffic fast. You're going to get access to over-the-shoulder step-by-step video training on exactly what I'm doing in about 30 minutes a day to generate, income with this system, and much, much more. So if you got value, be sure to like this video. Also comment below if you have any other questions about this system. I'll be sure to answer them. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.